I created this finance niche video very easily using completely free tools. And the best part is, if you make videos in English in the finance niche, you can earn a lot of money, even with fewer views, because the RPM is very high. Let me show you an example. This creator is making similar 2D animated finance videos in English. Look at the views: 700K, 500K, 3.5 million, 250K, and almost all of his videos are performing really well. He's also making short videos. As you can see, English videos already have high RPM, but when you combine English with the finance niche, the earning potential becomes extremely high, even with low views. In today's video, I will teach you the complete step-by-step method to create 2D animated finance short videos. I'll also share a trick that will help you avoid monetization problems, so you can easily monetize your videos and earn good money. Before we start, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe for more valuable content and to support me. Also, like and share this video so others can benefit too. Now, I've already done the hard work for you. You'll get everything ready to use. Go to the video description, click the link, and you'll land on my page. At the top, you'll see a thumbnail of a 2D character. Scroll down and you'll find a powerful master prompt for finance video production. The best thing about this master prompt is that it allows you to upload your own character image. Whatever style your image has, 2D, 3D, semi-realistic, or cartoon, your entire channel will follow that same style. You're not restricted. You can create and use any type of character. This prompt is designed so that anyone can use it repeatedly without any issues. Now, simply copy the prompt till the end.
Then go to Google, search for Claude AI, and paste the prompt there. Press enter and you'll get 10 amazing short video ideas. These are highly engaging titles, like "The Salary Trap Nobody Warns You About," "The Truth About Credit Cards Nobody Says Out Loud." Pick any title you like. For example, if you choose idea number 7, just type 7 and press enter. You'll instantly get a full script in dialogue format with 10 scenes. The script contains only narration, dialogues, nothing extra. After that, the prompt will ask you to upload your character image. You can upload any character you like, and your entire channel will follow that visual style. For example, you can search 2D man in suit on Google. Here you'll see a lot of options, whether you want anime style or a vector. Choose the one that you like and download any image you like. For example, I'm choosing this one. After downloading the image, go back to Claude AI and click on the plus icon and upload the downloaded image to Claude. Once uploaded, the AI will analyze your character and generate a detailed description. This description will automatically be added to every scene, so you don't need to upload the image again and again. Next, the AI will generate image prompts for all 10 scenes. Each prompt includes both character details and scene details. After that, motion prompts will also be generated, which include dialogues and voice tone, so you don't need to create voiceovers separately. Now you'll have 10 image prompts, 10 motion prompts. Next step, generate images. For image generation, go to Google Flow and click on New Project. After that, the interface will appear on your screen. At the bottom, you'll see an option called Nano Banana 2. Click on it and first choose your aspect ratio. Since I'm creating a short video, I'll select 9:16. Next, set the Generated Images option to 2 outputs. This way you'll get 2 images for each scene and you can choose the best one. After that, go back to Claude AI and copy the first prompt from the image section. Then paste it into Flow and click Generate. It will take a few seconds and give you 2 results. As you can see, you can choose the one you like the most. Now repeat the same process. Copy the second prompt, paste it into Flow, and generate it. Do this step by step for all the scenes.
And just like that, we now have all the generated images. Now it's time to animate them. To animate the clip, simply click on the 3 dots and select Animate. Now in the prompt box, paste the first prompt from the Cinematic Motion Prompts section. After that, click on the video option, set the aspect ratio to 9.16, and choose either VO3 Fast or VO3 Light. Once everything is set, hit Generate. Within a few seconds, your first animated clip will be ready.
I finally got approved. My first credit card dialed. I felt like I'd make it. Nobody told me I was holding the most elegant trap ever designed.
And as you can see, it looks clean, smooth, and ready to use. Now, repeat the same process for all the remaining scenes. If you run out of credits, you can simply use multiple Gmail accounts to continue generating clips. Once all clips are ready, move to editing. Import all clips into your video editor. I'm using CapCut. You can use any. Arrange them in order. It's better to name the clips while downloading, like Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and so on. Using this trick, you will not be confused. Add smooth transitions between clips. Then add background music and sound effects. Go to the audio button and search for calm music. Listen to one by one and drag the suited one. Trim the music according to video size and make sure to lower its volume so it doesn't mix up with the audio. For sound effects, you can use sites like Pixabay. Search for any effect, download it, and add it where needed according to the scene. Finally, export your video. But before that, export the audio separately, MP3. Edit it properly and then add it back to your video. This step is important to avoid monetization issues. Now, let's check the final result.
I finally got approved. My first credit card dialed. I felt like I'd make it. Nobody told me I was holding the most elegant trap ever designed. Cashback, points, free flights. It all sounds like they're giving you something, but every reward they offer is paid for by you, just not yet. The first swipe felt painless. No cash leaving your hand. No sting. That painlessness, Chloe, that's the trap. Your brain stops counting. They show you a minimum payment. Small, affordable, reasonable. What they don't show you is that paying it keeps you in debt for years.
Of a 50,000 balance at 36% interest. You pay minimums for a year. You still owe 47,000 rupees. You paid thousands mind and barely moved.
One card became 2. 2 became 3. Each one felt like breathing room. But breathing room was just more rope promise, and you were tying it yourself.
The month it all collapsed to case. I couldn't sleep. The numbers didn't add up. I was earning more than ever.
That night I sat with every statement, every charge, every fee I...
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends.